Hey, what's up guys, it's me Nice and I am back today with a new video, and today I'm going to be unboxing this guy right here. It's the DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit. So what that means is that you get all these accessories, like you get 2 batteries, battery chargers, some propellers, a charging cord, and a nice bag to put your drone in. So like I announced in my video recently that the Mini 3 Pro does not come with a bag or any extra propellers. It's only the propellers that they actually put in there. So it's like 2 extra propellers that you have. This one gives you 4 extra propellers. 2 for the back and then 2 for the front. The Fly More kit you have to purchase separately. DJI did not include a Fly More kit bundle, but this one, it's smaller, but also it didn't come with any of those accessories. DJI actually do sell a bundle by itself, just like the Mini 2 did. The second option they gave me was to purchase the bundle for $599.99, in which the bundle comes with 6 extra propellers just in case the propellers on your drone breaks. 2 extra batteries including the one that's in your drone, so that's 3 batteries altogether. Each battery containing 31 minutes of flight time. That's almost 2 hours of flight time that you're in the air. Also, you get a bag with it to transport your drone safely from location to location. So what we're gonna do is turn this box around, and again, we have one of these little tapes that we just pull that green part right there and just pull off. You would just pull up that hatch right there. Inside, at the top, basically you see like a black bag. The box basically contains the bag. So you just pull out this bag. Let's pull it out. Just like the Mini 2, when we unboxed the Mini 2, it's the same exact bag that you actually had for the Mini 2. So if you guys have the bag at home, you can still use the same bag and you don't have to actually purchase the Fly More kit. But if you did get the drone and you want a bag and you don't want to keep it in your pocket, then the Fly More kit will actually be the best option for you guys out there. All right, so what we're gonna do is basically open the bag. So we're gonna just unzip this. It's easy to unzip, just unzip it. And then what's inside is basically you have some goodies. So one, we're gonna just pull out this. This is the charging dock for the batteries. So we're gonna just open this and we're gonna just show you how exactly the charger actually looks. Already it comes with 2 batteries at the top, so 1 and 2, and then the third one that actually comes with the drone is the other batteries that will actually fit in that spot. Also, you can use this case to charge your cell phone if you run out of batteries. So on the front of it, it has a USB-C port and then it has a USB. So if you need to charge it by a USB-C port to a USB-C port, you can do that to charge the battery charger. And also vice versa, if you had a USB to USB-C to just charge it, then you can do it like that. On the front also, you have a power button. If you press that, it should light up to indicate how much battery power these batteries have. Right now, it's not charged, so basically we have no battery power, so we will have to actually charge these batteries. It's not pre-charged coming out the box, so just keep in mind you will have to charge these batteries. Same thing with your drone, you will have to charge the battery because it does not come pre-charged. So to get these batteries out, it's so simple. As you can tell, it's a button on each side, 1 and then 2. So all you have to do is just press both sides and then pull, just like you would do the drones. It comes with 1 battery, it comes with 2 batteries, and then it comes with the charger to, you know, pop these batteries in, just to make sure that you have charged batteries just in case your drone runs low on batteries. The 249 grams, you want to make sure you stay under that. 250 grams is just hitting it right on the dot. But if you under 1 gram less than 250 grams of the weight limit of your drone, then by all means you're safe. But if you go anywhere above that, you have to register your drone. But if it's below 249 grams, then you are not required to register your drone, but you are required to obey by the rules when you're flying your drone, you know, in your neighborhood. The way that you charge these and you want to pop these back in, take it like this, turn it upside down, pop it in, it will snap in. Same thing with this, pop it in, push it down, and it will snap in. What else is in the bag? So at the top, we got a black envelope. So let's see what's inside there. Basically, it shows you more instructions on how to work this charger, how the batteries work. So if you guys want to read these things on your own time, y'all could. We're gonna just put that right there. There's nothing else in here, so we're gonna just throw that on the floor. What else is in here? You got these things, the little gel things. Kids do not eat this, all right? So basically there's nothing inside there, but if you look at the top, there's another zipper part. You probably was wondering, hey, where's the extra propellers? Okay, so where's the extra propellers? So let's unzip this, and then we look, voila, we got the charging cord. So it's a USB to USB-C. I'm gonna put that to the side, and then we look, and we got the propellers. So we got two sets, so you know it's for the front, both of these. You got on the front, you have the A, and then you have the B propellers. So, you know, they'll tell you exactly where the propellers should go, and you need to replace them. You get the screws and you get the propellers, and also you got another set, A and then B. So what else is at the top? There's nothing else. So this is the bag to put your drone in, so you don't have to worry about carrying your drone. Your drone, your charger, and your remote control will actually fit in there.